living. He was a principal disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa and was an initiator of Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekananda passed his life thinking about the great values embedded in the great Indian culture. Swami Vivekananda was a social reformer working in various social circles as well as educational field. His educational aspect was based on including education as the fundamental right of all masses and believed in mass education. He was a modern thinker and tried instilling the right of education for all the sections of societies. Ramakrishna Mission was the main goal of Ramakrishna Mission was to serve mankind selflessly and unconditionally. The Gurukul system was introduced by Ramakrishna Mission so that the education, institutes, teacher and students stay together. Hence, it built a good relationship between them. Thank you.
He was not only a philosopher or a social reformer, he was a monk and lived only less than 40 years. He was a monk and he inspired the youth to fight against some social problems like disability, illiteracy, poverty, etc. As a monk, he traveled from the Himalaya to Kanyakumari, where many people joined him, and he treated all of them equally and with love. And he won the heart of everyone by saying a speech on Chicago and addressing the audience by saying, "Brothers and sisters of America." He said that I am to be proud to be born in a country which religion had taught me to be tolerance and universal acceptance, and that's why he made the Indian religion to a very high level. And Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose once said that he harmonized the West, East, past, present, and religion and science. That is why he is great. Thank you.
Vivekananda's teaching greatly influenced India's cultural and social transition. Even though he was born in India, but his aim of life was not limited to India. He went far beyond that. According to him, every single soul is divine. The aim is to channelize this divinity from within. The healthy change and the social change are the results of the spiritual forces working within us. For character development, he emphasized on the practice of brahmacharya, which is foster development of mental, moral, and spiritual powers, leading to the purity of thoughts, words, and deeds. According to him, every student would be trained hard and formulate good habits and learn from the mistakes. Thank you.
Every country, they are the source of energy, of progress and change. To ensure the purpose of the youth, the Government of India decided to celebrate January 12th as the National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda's thought on this topic was that youth is the best time of a person's life. They decide the future of every city, state, country and the world. A bird can't fly with one wing. Like that, the country cannot make progress without the youth. Thank you.
জন্ম 12 জানুয়ারি 1869 হয়েছিল। আর উনি একটা সাধু ছিলেন। ওনার বাবার নাম ছিল বিশ্বনাথ দত্ত আর ওনার মায়ের নাম ছিল ভুবনেশ্বরী দেবী। Today I am going to say few lines about Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863
Vivekananda's real name was Narendranath Dutta. He was also called as Naren.
Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863. His born place is Shibla Street nearby Vivekananda Road. His mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. His father name was Vishwanath Datta. He is a great monk of India. He is a great disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa Deva. He is a social worker. Knowledge to become a good man in future. Thank you.
Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu monk and a key figure in the introduction of Vedanta philosophy to the Western world. Born as Narendranath Datta on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata, India, he was heavily influenced by the teachings of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, a 19th century mystic, and went on to become the most influential spiritual leaders of his time. Swami Vivekananda's message on universal brotherhood, tolerance and acceptance had made him an inspiration for people of all backgrounds and ages. He believed that every individual has the potential to realize their highest potential and that the ultimate goal of human life is to achieve union with the divine. In 1893, he represented India and Hinduism at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago, where he delivered a series of lectures that received worldwide recognition and appreciation. His speeches emphasized the unity of all religions and the importance of service to humanity. Vivekananda's impact on India's cultural and spiritual heritage is immeasurable. He gave new life to Hinduism and his teachings inspired millions of people all over the world. The great man Swami Vivekananda left this world on 4th July 1902 at a young age of 39, but his legacy lives on through his teachings, writings and the work of Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekananda was the greatest soul born in the soil of India. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you to Principal Ma'am to give me such a great opportunity to say something about the National Youth Day or Swamiji's birthday. Swami Vivekananda was a famous spiritual leader. He was born into an aristocratic Bengali family on 12 January 1863. He was a very good and a bright student in school and in college. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta, who was a lawyer. His mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. She was a pious lady. Swami Vivekananda has a very long curiosity about a man-making religion. He established the Ramakrishna Mission on 1 May 1897. He was the leader of Sri Ramakrishna Mission. On 1897, from 1984, the Swamiji's birthday observed as the National Youth Day. In Chicago, around 1983, he represented Hinduism and the Parliament of Religion in the Chicago. And he also take about the Hinduism. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The main objective is to inspire the youth with his teachings of tolerance, universal brotherhood and selfless service. The day encourages young minds to channel their energy towards nation building, cultivating a spirit of leadership and social responsibility. Swami Vivekananda and his teachings are relevant to one and all beyond the barriers of age, caste, nationality, profession and gender. His thoughts help us encourage and to reach our goals. like arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. You have to grow from inside out. None can make you, none can teach you. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. If in a day when you don't come across any problems, you can be sure that you are traveling in the wrong path. Thank you.
Before you today to deliver a speech about the National Youth Day. Youth is the future of every country. They are the source of energy, innovation and catalysts of progress and change. To ensure the possibilities of the youth, the Government of India decided to celebrate January 12 as the National Youth Day from 1984. National Youth Day celebrated on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, as his philosophy and ideas could be a great source of inspiration for the youth of India. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863. He believed that the future of every country depends on the youth of that country. The government encourages the youth to come up with new schemes and ideas. Swami Vivekananda's instructions great inspiration for the youth. Thank you.
I am Yagas Kumar Singh, student of class 7. Feel myself honored to stand here on the occasion of 161st birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is a name that does not require any sort of introduction. He was a great philosopher, writer, patriot, spiritual leader and a Hindu monk. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Calcutta. His birth name was Narendranath Dutt. His father, Vishwanath Dutt, was an attorney at Calcutta High Court, and his mother, Bhuvneshwari Devi, was a spiritual person. The name of the Guru of Swami Vivekananda was Sri Ramakrishna Paramahans, who founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. After the death of his mentor, Swami Vivekananda attended the session of the Chicago Parliament of Religions in 1893, where he gave a very memorable speech which made him very famous worldwide. Swami Vivekananda preached that one could never believe in God until or unless they start believing in themselves. Swamiji stressed on being truthful. He said that there are thousands of ways to describe truth, yet it would always be truth. One of the famous speech given by Swamiji at the World's Parliament of Religion was, "I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religious truth. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted of all nations, of refugees and all religions and all nations of the earth." Thank you.
Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863 at Calcutta. He was an Hindu monk, philosopher, author and religious teacher and the chief disciple of the Indian mystic Sri Ramakrishna. Figure in the introduction
power within every individual.
Vivekanand. Swami Vivekananda was born on Monday, 12 January 1863. Was a great love soul and a reverse soul. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta and his mother was Bhuvneswari Devi. Give his name as Vereswara. In the family of Swami Vivekananda, the entire family of Swami Vivekananda was given his name as Narendra Datta and short as Naren. Naren was very sunny-tempered boy but restless. Swami Vivekananda was an affluent philanthropy and in scholarship and in the independent spirit of humanity. In America, Swami Vivekananda, one day Swami Vivekananda goes in America and once said in spirit in hall that my brother sister of America. Swami was great inspiration for us. And Swami Vivekananda's message to all people that maintain peace in the whole world. Thank you.
Youth Day, and which is also celebrated as Swami Vivekananda. But happy birthday anniversary. Swami Vivekananda was the great ideal of the nation. He was born in Kolkata on Monday 12, 1863. His mother name in Vireshwara, however the family called him Narendranath Datta. Swami Vivekananda also achieved many things in life. He introduced to the West about the idea of Vedanta and Yoga. He always support to the youth to develop about their activities. And thank you.
Swami Vivekananda the youth to use their energy and time to the development of their country positively. India celebrates National Youth Day to remember Swami Vivekananda's birth, opening opportunity for the youth to make the impactful decision. The first thing we have to be ensured that the youth of our country can get an opportunity of education. Since the youth of our country are our future. It is very important that the youth of our country can go on the right path. The youth of our country are educated about the technologies and taking place all around the world. That this would be help them to be a positive mindset and work and to be a bright future. Thank you.
1963. There is one great story about Swami Vivekananda. When Swami Vivekananda was go for the speech, there was the English and Britishers had make the powerful rule that only the 5 minutes was given for Vivekananda for giving their speech. But in the audience there are somebody of the Britishers who was keen to clap when he ended. Now we are see that there are many students in our class and our school who stop for some time, only the 2 minutes. But some students are clap and stop them. This is very wrong for everything. But Swami Vivekananda does not stop. He know that when he stopped, everyone wanted him to stop. So going smoothly, you stop. There is some comma was came in every life, every teacher, student, principal, everyone. But cannot be stopped. The life is going on. Thank you.